Music. Welcome to this SmartFolio review. Find helpful links in the description below. Offered by a leading Canadian bank, SmartFolio is a robo-advisor designed for Canadians seeking simple, low-cost, and professional investment management. It's perfect for hands-off investing. SmartFolio provides access to a diversified, personalized portfolio tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. A team of professional portfolio managers handles everything. Grow your wealth, save for retirement, or achieve other long-term financial objectives with ease. A quick online questionnaire determines your ideal portfolio of low-cost ETFs, diversified across various asset classes to minimize risk. BMO portfolio managers handle all rebalancing, keeping your investments aligned with market conditions and your strategy. Fees are competitive, starting at 0.7% annually for accounts under $100,000 and decrease as your balance grows. SmartFolio offers a cost-effective alternative to traditional advisors, with a minimum investment of $1,000. The user-friendly platform and intuitive dashboard let you track performance, view account activity, and check progress towards your goals. Stay informed with insights and reports from BMO's investment team, without unnecessary complexity. SmartFolio is ideal for Canadians wanting a trusted robo-advisor backed by a well-established institution. Value professional management, but prefer a hands-off approach? Simplify your investing journey. Check out the links below and start with SmartFolio today.